Welcome to the first episode of VibeCoding. If you ever wanted to code effortlessly using AI as your assistant, you are in the right place. Now, what is VibeCoding? VibeCoding is all about making coding smooth, fun, and efficient. Instead of writing every single line of code manually, we use AI tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and others to generate and refine code. Think of it like this. Instead of grinding through every problem alone, you have a super smart coding buddy helping you out. Let's see VibeCoding in action. At first, we have to download Visual Studio Code. Head over to code.visualstudio.com and click download. And now, next step is creating a new folder. I will create it here. Right click, click new, and click folder. And let's name it Building a Game. After this, head over to Visual Studio Code, and you can see there is open folder. Click and select your folder. And here we go. We connected our folder, but as you can see, it's completely empty. So what we need right now is a game idea. Now let's head over to ChatGPT and ask about it. Now I don't want something complicated. So let's say I want to make a game using Visual Studio Code, and I want to focus on, I want to create a simple platformer game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. As it says, Visual downloaded, create a folder, and connect. Now, step by step, let's follow it. Now, it says us to create index.html, style CSS, and game JavaScript. Let's create these ones. Head over here. You can see there's new file, index.html. Let's check other one. And the last one is game JavaScript. Now let's continue with the next step. You can see there's index.html here, and click copy. Head over to Visual Code Studio and paste it here. Then let's head over to the second one, style, paste it again, and head over to game JavaScript, paste it again. Now to try this game, you have to head over to your folder. It's our folder building a game, open it, and you will see index. Run it in your web browser. And you can see it's our base of game. We can go left, right, and jump. Now let's continue with our next improvements about our game. Now we already made our game, but as you can see, we can jump while holding the space. It jumps without a second. But now I want to change this character to a stickman. For this, I will head over to piscalapp.com. Now let's draw a stickman here. And come to export, download as PNG, and we got it here. Now come to your folder and create a assets folder. Then copy that pixel which we created right now and paste it here and name it character. Now right click and copy paste. Now let's head over to ChatGPT and get our game JavaScript code sent to him. Let's say here's my gaming code in USS and analyze it. Let's wait him to answer. Now, I have a character PNG which I want to add to this game. Now let's get to our tab again, right click and copy as path. Here's path of my character PNG. Adjust it into my code. Now let's wait the ChatGPT to edit and give us the code. It must be over. Let's click copy. Come to Visual Studio Code, Game Java, and paste it here. Now head over to our game, open index, and as you can see, here's our character. It's changed to Stickman, but it's a little too slow. Let's come to our Visual Studio Code, and as you can see, there's height here. Adjust it a little more, and I want it to be a little slower, so I will edit to 5 to 4, and gravity to 2.5 to 2.6. Save, and refresh our game. But now you can see our canvas is a little slow. Let's edit it. Head over to ChatGPT and tell him. Let's wait the edited code. We don't need to wait for it. As you can see, there's canvas width and height here. Head over to our game Java and right here. Now let's refresh our game and it is done. When we go left, we completely disappear. Now let's ask ChatGPT to edit and fix this problem. Now let's write the problem. When I go to the completely left, let's wait the updated code. Let's click copy, come to our game Java, paste it, just adjust the height again, and refresh our page. Let's see. Yes, now when we go to the completely right, we appear from the other side of the map. Now we need a few more platforms and a colorful background. Now, I already downloaded the backgrounds. You can see we got this one and the other ones too. Let's ask ChatGPT to add this one as background. Let's copy as path and say him. and let's wait for him to update the game. Now let's come click copy and head over to our Visual Game Studio game, paste it and save. Now let's restart our game. And here we are. We go to our background. Now we have to add a few more improvements to our game. So we asked the ChatGPT what are improvements I can add, simple improvements I can add to my game. And he told us a few ideas. So in our next videos, we will follow these steps one by one: sound effect, power up, health system, multiple levels, and etc. Make sure to follow us for our new content. And make sure to message me if you get any questions. See you guys in our next videos.